legado de Rune. A gente já vai saber se deu merda ou se não deu. Reino da França.
You are dawdling, Amicia. How will you be able to follow the lords at hunt?
Is that your only ambition for me?
What's
To
up,
follow.
legenda?
I will beat them and
Legenda. Configuração. Idioma. Idioma das falas. Deixa em inglês. Mostrar a legenda, sim. Idioma das legendas, sim. Eu quero que mostre. Prontinho.
I will watch them eat my dust as I forge ahead. But for that, I shall need a good horse.
You've been going on about this walk for ages. Why here?
The tree.
Which tree?
Que árvore? Boa
Apple tree,
pergunta.
Father.
O legado
I
de
want to
Rune,
take the
avança
knight's
pela
challenge
floresta.
once more.
The Knight's Challenge. But you're not 10 years old anymore, you know.
Oh, please, Father. I've trained hard for this.
All right, let's go.
Look at Leon. The Guyenne beast is in a hurry to fight it out.
Your beast thinks with its stomach, as usual.
Well, there's something you both have in common.
That's harsh.
Go on, boy. You'll find the prey. I believe in you.
Don't get your hopes up. Let's keep going.
O vício de ficar jogando coisa já dá vontade de apertar shift.
Your mother's ribbon is still here. This is where I courted her, you know.
Yes, Father, I know. If only she could come with us.
We all have obligations, Amicia. You know, in a family. Hey, I'm trying to tell her something.
Such authority, Knight de Rune.
Go! Bring something back for once. Right. As I was saying, we all have obligations. I have to manage these lands. Your mother has to take care of your brother. And you...
And I hardly ever see you. I see Mother even less.
Listen. We're here for you now. So, follow me, daughter.
Hey, wait!
I hope you have your sling.
Of course.
Come on, then. Do you dare to enter the Trials Gate?
Amicia de Rune fears nothing.
This apple tree was planted when you were born. It will prove your worth.
Sir Knight, what are the terms of the test?
The sacred apples of the sacred apple tree have been corrupted by a great evil. If you destroy 6 of these rotten apples by the time I count to 10, I will make you a knight.
I accept your challenge.
I can see some stones near the trunk over there. Go and get them and tell me when you're ready.
Perdi o time da olhada.
Ready? I'll show you I'm not a child anymore.
All right, come back. Stand behind this trunk. You'll shoot from here.
It shall be done.
So, here we go.
Putz!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, Amicia. 6, 7, 8,
And this is how Amicia becomes a true knight.
9, and 10. Well, well. I must say I'm impressed. But your sling is frightfully noisy.
It was a present from you.
Oh, yes. I'd quite forgotten. Goodness, what's up with him?
He must have smelled a rabbit. Come on, quickly.
You go ahead. I'll catch up with you. You're much faster than I am.
Demorei pra processar.
Leon! Wait for me! Leon! A hunting dog is not supposed to lose its hunter. Leon! Where did he go? Ah, there you are.
Ah,
What did you smell? Oh gosh, a wild boar. What a good dog.
Amicia, did you find something?
Shh, come and see. A wild boar.
Some game. This will do nicely for a little feast.
I could use my sling.
That might work, but you'll need to get closer. This grass will keep...
Ó, 380.
Uhum.
Pode fazer.
Tá bom.
Ok, então vamos dar andamento. Agora eu vou... Pó. So. Ir. Não, burro. Posso ir amanhã pegar? Ela só vai ir amanhã cedo, não. 100% tá carregado. Então vamos desligar aqui. Pronto.
You're hidden if you stay low.
Rapaz, pressionando C para andar silenciosamente. Sem se colocar na grama.
It's drinking. Time to make my move. It saw me.
Find a way to sneak up. You have to hit the head. Careful. You have to aim for the head.
I'm doing my best. I want that feast.
I know. You can do it, my darling.
There you are.
Use the high grass. Stay low. Nice shot. Does hunger always make you this accurate?
Huh.
But the feast isn't on your plate quite yet.
No. Go, Leon. Don't lose the scent.
É, com uma pedra eu vou matar o porco, um cavalinho, tá louco?
I promise you, tonight we shall dine like kings.
I have no doubt we will.
Don't give up, Leon.
Boa.
I'm coming, Leon. Keep him there and you'll get a piece for yourself. The boar. It's bleeding.
A gente já peguei o caminho certo.
He stopped barking. He must have found it.
Dado alguma bosta.
These bridges were almost new. Someone's not going to be happy.
O ambiente já mudou já.
The trees. What did that? Leo, come here. It's the boar. But how? Leon couldn't have done that. Leo, come here. Leo, I'm here. I'm coming.
Mataram meu cachorro. Não é possível.
My dog. Who did this? Leon!
What devilry is this? We must go. Immediately.
Mataram o Leon, fodeu. Plague Tale Innocence. Podem matarão de por Liam. Ó a cruz.
I shall organize a hunt. Go and find your mother. Tell her I must speak with her. She's probably...
Looking after Hugo. Yes, of course.
Sim, claro.
Amicia. He was a good dog.
É, agora ele era um bom cachorro.
Where are the rivets for
Encontre
reinforcing the door?
Beatriz no
I
quarto
haven't been
de...
able to make them yet. Did you hear about the English troops arriving?
Já onde fica o quarto de...
Good day, Lady Amicia. Those new rivets will have to wait.
Imagina que o quarto deve ficar pra lá.
By the way,
pra cá.
any news about the town? Everyone is on edge.
Porcão. Tá. Ó o outro porcão.
Sounds like the English to me.
Why would the English go and bite people?
I don't know. To keep us off balance.
Ô cavalo, dá pra mexer nele. Ih. O que eu faço, cara? Esse carinha. Agora não vai. Vou esse cara capava.
Oh, Lady Amicia, you're back.
Não,
Theo,
droga.
there's an
caguei no
emergency. Get the others and go and see my father as soon as you can, all right?
All right. By the way, I've set up some targets for your sling behind the stables.
Oh, thank you.
pau. Eu era obrigado a falar.
The pots Theo told me about. I still have my sling.
Então toma. Ah, se tá assim é merda. Se tá assim é merda. Obviamente que eu já sabia disso, mas... Pera, 3 e 6. Pera. Toma. Alguém não vai gostar de ter quebrado todos os lados. Bom, acho que era bom eu ter pedra salva. Vamos repor. Então, conclui o treinamento de mira. Vamos repor de novo?
Leon, if only I'd arrived more quickly. I would have killed whatever did this to you.
Nossa, dá pra matar a galinha? Não dá. Não queria dar uma separada. E o que vocês têm aqui? Tem uma broca ali. Opa, travou.
Oh, Lady Amicia,
Galinha, né?
did you have a good
Galinha,
walk?
normal.
Later, Flo. Tell the others that the forest is out of
Galinha
bounds until further notice.
Yes, I'll tell them.
Alia Oratio Sancti Sebastiani, keep us from evil. May you forever
San
grant us health
Sebastian.
and keep plague from our door.
Bandeira do Brasil.
Take care of Leon, please. He deserves his place at your side, even if he was a bit naughty sometimes. Goodbye, my darling dog.
Se foi. Você morreu. Quero tacar pedra em alguém.
I hope Mother's not too busy.
This sunshine won't last long.
Ó o ganso.
The rain has already ruined the harvest. People are dying of hunger. We're lucky to be in this house. Mark my words. You're right about that.
Ah, Gabrielle. Is Mother upstairs?
Yes, she spent the night there. The little one had another one of his attacks.
She won't be in a good mood.
Ela não deve estar de bom humor. Não deve, não. Ó, a arvorinha. Direito. Vamos pra direita.
Did you hear what happened at the village?
People being bitten. Kids too, can you imagine?
Each time it happens
Parece
at
que eu
night.
acertei o caminho.
Famine, war on our doorstep, and now vampires?
Oh, we must have sinned something rotten to be punished so.
Não tem nada.
Oh, Lady Amicia, hello. I didn't see you there.
Yes, hello, milady.
Hello.
Aparentemente eu sou importante. Aqui.
The smell of your cooking warms the heart.
Oh, it's nothing much, but I think you'll like it.
I'm sure I will.
Quero vir pra cá.
Cinnamon. I'd almost forgotten what it smells like.
Especiarias.
They were right to hide it.
Pressione um para
Father
saber
would put it in
mais.
every dish.
É um. Nem todas as mesas têm acesso às especiarias. Nossa senhora. Nossa. Códice. Bom, é uma pena explorar. Tem uma especiaria agora. Ainda bem que eu vim pra cá, né? Bom, então eu vim errado. Fico apertando shift, ela não corre mais. Opa. Não tem nada aqui. Tem de pinga. Easter egg.
Yes, Lady Beatrice, leave it to me.
Louise, have you been to see Mother?
Indeed. Do you want to see her?
It's
Okay.
important. Father's orders.
Oh, in that case, I have to finish your room. By the way, I've left a little something for you on your bed. Come and see if you like.
Thank you.
Bom, ali pelo jeito é o lugar raro que eu
Oh,
tenho aqui.
Leon. What am I going to do here without you?
Ih, mulher. Eu acho que você vai ter coisa pra caramba.
It's the
What?
placemat that Mother made for me when I was a little girl. I've been looking for it everywhere. Thank you, Louise.
You're
Obrigado,
welcome,
Luiz.
sweetness. Look after it now.
Se cuida dele agora, pode deixar. Vou lá falar com a minha velha. Deixa eu ver se eu consigo pegar mais alguma coisa aqui. Sou explorador nato, esquece. Não tem nada. Vou falar com ela. Mas antes de eu ir lá falar com ela, preciso ver se ficou bom.